Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. In this session, we are going to learn the chapters place value chart and importance of commas or periods. Let us learn to how to use of abacus. First of all, what is meant by abacus? The abacus is nothing but it is the counting device that consists of a frame holding rods on which a specific number of beads and free to move. Each rod denoted place value such as units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now see the topic how to count the place values of abacus. See this picture and count the place values. O, ones, T, tens, H, hundreds, TH, thousands, TTH, 10,000, L, lakhs, TL, 10 lakhs, C, crores. Now see the spelling of 1 to crores. ONES, ones, TENS, tens, HUNDREDS, hundreds, THOUSANDS, thousands, TEN, 10, THOUSANDS, 10,000s, LAKHS, lakhs, TEN, 10, LAKHS, lakhs, 10 lakhs, CRORE, crores, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay children, please memorize these numbers with the spelling. It's used to further learning process. Let us learn few examples. Now see the example 1. The abacus shows the number 7,341. 7,341. Its name of number is 7,341. The expanded form of given number is 7 thousands plus 3 hundreds plus 410 plus 1. Now write the number 7,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 1. So 7 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 1. So this is the placement of the abacus value. Next see the example 2. The abacus shows the number 1 crore 21 lakhs 35,211. 1 crore 21 lakhs 35,211. Write in word form 1 crore 21 lakhs 35,211. Write the expand form 1 crore plus 210 lakhs plus 1 lakhs plus 3 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 110 plus 1 1. Write in number 1 crore 20 lakhs plus 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 1. Again write the expand form 1 into 1 crore plus 2 into 10 lakhs plus 1 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 1. The placement of abacus value is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 1. That means 1 crores 21 lakhs 35,211. Next, see the topic place value chart. In the place value system, ones, tens, and hundreds from the first group under ones period, thousands and 10,000s from the second group under 1,000 period, lakhs and 10 lakhs from the third group under lakhs period, crores and 10 crores from the fourth group under crores period. Just see the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds is the ones periods, 1,000, 10,000 is the thousands periods, lakhs, 10 lakhs is the lakhs periods, crores and 10 crores is the crores periods. Now see few example of place value system. The first one is 4 crores 34 lakhs 56,789. 9 is ones place value, 8 is tens place value, 7 is 100 place value, 6 is 1,000 place value, 5 is 10,000 place value, 4 is lakhs place value, and 3 is 10 lakhs place value, 4 is crores place value. The next topic is how to identify and write the place value numbers. See the examples. Write the place value of 7 and 1 for the given number. See the first question. The given number is 81 lakhs 70,453. Write the place value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. See the first question. The place value of 7 is dash. The place value is 7 is occur 10,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. So the place value is 10,000. See the second question. The place value of 1 is dash. The place value 1 is occur lakhs. So the place value 1 into lakhs, 1 lakhs, lakhs. The place value is lakhs. Now see the second question B. 3 lakhs 46,710. Write the place value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. The place value of 7 is dash. The place value of 7 is occur hundreds. So 7 into 100, 700. The place value is hundreds. The place value of 1 is dash. The place value of 1 is occur tens. 1 into tens, tens. So the place value is tens. Next question. The given number is 1 crores 87 lakhs 30,971. Write the place value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. The place value of 7 is tens. 7 into tens, 70. So the place value of 7 is tens. Now see the second question. The place value of ones is occur in 3 places: ones, 10,000s, and crores. So write the place values: ones, 10,000s, and crores. Ones, 10,000, and crores. Now see the exercise 2.2a. The given number is 15,478. Write the place value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. The place value of 7 is dash. The place value of occur in tens place. 7 into 10 17. So the place value is tens place. Next one. The place value of 4 is dash. The 4 is occur in 100 place. So 4 into 100 400. So the place value is hundreds. Next third one. The place value of 1 is dash. The place value of 1 is occur 10,000. 1 into 10,000 10,000. So the place value is 10,000. The place value of 1 is 10,000. Next, see the topic commas. Numbers having 4 or more digits can be read quickly and easily by putting them into groups using commas. Each group is separated by a comma. Ones group, thousands group, lakhs groups and crores groups. Now see the example how to put commas. First one, 99,15,797. Write the placement value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 100 tens ones is the ones group. Thousands 10,000 is the thousands groups. Lakhs 10 lakhs is the lakhs groups. Now put commas. 99 comma 15 comma 797. 99 lakhs 15,797. Now see the second question. 2,30,145. Write the place value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 100 tens ones is the ones group. 1,000 10,000 is the thousands group. Lakhs is the lakhs groups. Now put commas. 2 comma 30 comma 145. 2,37,145. Now see the third question. 1 crores 34 lakhs 19,922. Now write the placement value right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Each group separate by a commas. 100 tens ones is the ones groups. 1,000 10,000 is the thousands groups. Lakhs 10 lakhs is the lakhs groups. Crore is the crores groups. 1 comma 34 comma 19 comma 922. 1 crores 34 lakhs 19,922. Okay children, I hope you all are understand well. Prepare well. Thank you.